Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As we show in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock a smartphone like pin pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forget pin pattern and password lock. So if you are watching this video, at the end of this video your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the end of this video, what I'm going to give you in this video, the method will unlock your smartphone 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before revealing this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should fully charge at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge your phone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this method to unlock your phone. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video to further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning the method, mentioning in it and applying it to your smartphone. As you know my friend, this unlocking method is known as offline unlocking method. It means you will have to completely switch your phone on offline mode. It means all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network at the top, you can see here. So firstly I will have to close my phone's Wi-Fi network. Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this airplane mode to close the all network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. As I clicked on this option, now you can see my Wi-Fi network has been closed and all the telecommunication network will be closed. Now one more thing you have to do with your phone before go to unlocking method. The most important thing, your all the running application, your all the background running application should be closed before reaching to the unlocking method. Okay, so for this you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will have to go with the emergency call option. And when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a new dialing pad like this. Now you can see this is a dialing pad. Now I am going to give you a secret code which generated by the service center, and it updates every 2 or 3 days, after 2 or 3 days. So this secret code works only for 2 or 3 days from this video. And if your phone could not unlocked with this secret code, then you may also watch my upcoming videos to unlock your phone. Okay, because this secret code is valid only for 2 or 3 days. Okay, so today's recent new secret code is star has 555, then star 843, then star 99, then hash. After feeding this number in your call log, you will have to call on this number first time, and when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process same 3 times like this. Now after doing this process 3 times, your all the running application, your all the background running application will be closed, and now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Now you will have to simply clear this secret code from your dialing pad. Now you have to feed here a secret code, or it's also known as USSD code, to reach to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. And this USSD code is star hash 899, then hash. Now you can see there is a page has been appeared on my phone display, that is engineers mode page. And you can also see here there are lots of options on this page, you can see here. And you can see there is an option of a software version at the 5th number, you can see here. Now you will have to go with this option. Okay, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page like this, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. Now you can see here first option is your phone's model number, that is RMX2117, and the second option you can see here your phone's Android version is showing here Android version 12. it may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13 or Android version 10 or 11. If your Android version is 10, it means you will have to click on this option 10 times. And here my phone's Android version is 12. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 12 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Now the first process of unlocking method has been done. Now after this you will have to simply go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. You can see here that is a manual test option. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page, and its option is assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. So you don't have to go with any option on this page because all these option has the specific function. Okay, now after this you will have to simply slide your phone right side until you reach to the option of other. Now you can see at the end of this page, the other option has been appeared on my phone's display. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here the first option is screen backlight test. The second option is read write important lock test. Then the third option is key status. And the fourth option is, you can see here, that is database version. It may be possible on the fourth number your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name. But don't worry about the name. You will have to simply click on this database version or mainboard version 11 times rapidly, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now the second process has been done, my friend. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. Now you will have to simply go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. You will have to simply cancel this option at the first time, but at the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to do you will have to do the same. The cancel, you have to cancel here. But at the fourth time, when you will click on this option, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will click on OK button, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means now your phone is ready to go with the new lock pin pattern and password lock. Okay, now the very last step what I'm going to give you, that's most important, so be careful about this step. And all these steps are very careful. You will have to use very careful, because if you are skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock, and you will have to watch this video again. Okay, so watch this video properly without any skip. Okay, now you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the page of device debugging page. Now you can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here, and you will also get a lots of option on this page here. Now you can see here at the 6th number, you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. You can see here. Now you will have to simply go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a 2 type of option on your phone's display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 3 option or 1 option, so don't worry about it. You will check here all the options are showing here operation not started. Now you will have to simply start this all operation by simply clicking on these options. Okay, now you will have to click on this option to start these operations like this. Operation is started, and you will have to clicking on all these options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now you will have to continue clicking on these options. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now my phone is ready to go with a new pin pattern and password lock. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. Now I will give you a demo whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you will have to go with the home button. Now you can see at the bottom of this phone there is an option of a home button. Now I will click on this option to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. You can see here. Now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the applications which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone, like this. You can see here there is an application of Xender. It was installed by me before my phone was locked, and as it is as in my phone. It means this trick really works. And if your phone could not unlock with this trick, then wait for the 2 or 3 days. Okay, our new secret code will be generated by the service center, and that will definitely help you to unlock your phone. So watch the video properly and subscribe my channel for the further these type of technical issues. Okay, so see you in the next video with the next update. Thank you very much.